Hi guys, simply Naturabelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So my whole focus for this year is to have restoration in all areas of my life, and two things so far I have started with in terms of restoring my spiritual relationship with God, and this is in keeping with one of these things that I have been doing. So tucked into one of the books also had a brochure about the course that she is giving. It is the Certified Prayer Counselor course, and it says Creating a Wow Life Through the Power of Prayer with Dr. Nadine Collins. Yes guys, she has a doctorate, so she has a wealth of knowledge in her field. Right? It says learn how to get more yes answers from God, which is what we heard in one of the books before. Expand your influence and impact in the lives of others. Develop more confidence in your praying and living. It's time to take your life and ministry to the next level through prayer. Begin your journey as a certified prayer counselor. And of course they ask, are you ready to enlarge your purpose, position and passion? And it gives you a good detail about the course. Now I am not going to go through this whole brochure, but I will tell you some of the things that stood out to me. Right here it says, imagine waking up every day living in your purpose, living a life that you dreamt about, feeling fulfilled and having a positive and significant impact in the lives of those you come into contact with. Right? That was one of the things that stood out to me. And it says, as a child of God, do you feel stuck and frustrated in your own life because you do not know where to begin to make shifts to greater abundance and prosperity? That is me. I actually sometimes feel stuck. Most of the time I feel stuck. You have good goals but simply do not know how to pray in a manner that brings your dreams to life. You have lost all confidence because you are unable to manifest greater success in your own life, yet every day you find yourself trying to give others hope. Let me stop right there. This has my name all over it, because sometimes I was talking to a friend probably 1 or 2 years ago, or just over a year ago. I was talking to a friend, and it is interesting that I was saying that I don't know, I think they were asking me why it is I didn't do something, or I don't want to do something. Probably I mentioned that I wasn't satisfied with where I was in my life, and something they were saying, and like I wasn't motivated enough. And they asked me, but you are always encouraging people and motivating people, why don't you take your own advice? And it's then I realized that I don't know, for me it's different. I can encourage somebody who's down, I can give advice, I can motivate, I can inspire other people, and I do that. But to just take this in for myself, that is the hardest thing ever. I don't know why, but it's very, very hard for me to do. So this right here, one of the things that made me go, yes, I need to do this course. Right? It says you do not have the impact or influence you long for because your own private failures are overpowering your ability to live the full life that you desire. Oh my goodness. You work hard, but success seems to be an illusion. And sometimes I am like all over the place, and I have so many ideas and I don't know where to start and what to do. And I will start something, and sometimes when things get tough I get frustrated and I just put it aside, and then I will come up with another idea and then I will start that, and and I am not completing the stuff that I want to do. I'm not completing my goals. I start something and it's not a bad thing. I start something and I am good at what I do. I am good at the thing that I want to put out. I'm good at it. But to carry it to completion and see it becoming successful, that has not been happening for me recently, and it's really been frustrating me because I know I have the talent, I know I have the skill, and it's just that something is not connecting, right? So this is another thing that stood out to me. And then it says you desire true financial and personal freedom but still have a challenge with increasing your income and influence. Again, that is tied in with the last one. So for me, organization and planning, all these things I know have a part to play with that, as well as having a clear outlook on what my purpose is in life. I think that will really, really help me to move forward and move past the areas that I am stuck in and actually see results of my work, right? What I've been working on for years, as well as just being satisfied with where I am in life, right? And then it says you want more yes answers from God and you want to help others experience the same. That is true for me as well. So they have little boxes here, if you notice. They have some little boxes by the side there, and I will take all of them because they all apply to me, right? And in the bonuses, it says first 5 persons to sign up get 60 minutes private coaching per session, which is awesome. And then in the bundle you will receive the Wow Trio bundle, the books, and so on, right? And here you just have to write your personal details. This is actually a card to sign up for the course, but I am doing it online. And here it has the payments as well, and in the back just tells you more about the course, and it is actually a 12-step program. It is starting in May. I can't remember the exact date, but I think it's very early in May. I will verify that down below. This is not a sponsored video. I am just excited about this course and these books and this DVD, and I really, really want to get through this because I really think that this is going to help me move forward and to get more clarity and to build my relationship with God, and also to build my prayer life as well as other relationships, and I will be able to help others do the same. So that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. If any of you guys are interested in this course, please check out the website that I will have linked below. I will also leave her Facebook link, so you can probably message her on Facebook if you want to speak one-on-one with her. And you know, if you want any of the books, there are links as well to get these books. I am not sure if she's selling the DVD or if the DVD is a part of the course, but you can ask all those questions and she will be very willing to work with you and to answer them. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what are some of the things that you do to improve your prayer life. Let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.